This is In the Wild with Chris. Why is hygiene important in a survival situation? Well, in a survival situation you will be tested, both physically and mentally. Getting an infection then can literally be a killer. A stomach infection can really knock you out and dehydrate you really fast. A festering sore in your hand impairs your use of that hand. A sore in your foot might leave you unable to walk out of the situation. To minimize the risk of infections, make sure to clean cuts and scrapes you have. Cover them with a band-aid or a piece of cloth. Keep your feet dry to avoid chafing and getting blisters. Make sure you do your toilet needs away from the camp where you keep your food and water. And always clean your hands after going to the toilet. For number 2, dig a small hole and make sure to cover it afterwards, and not to dig in the same spot again. If you're staying longer in one place, dig a deeper hole. You can do your number 2 and then cover it with dirt and then reuse the same hole again. When you're out in the wild, at least once a day do the 5-point wash. You wash your face and your mouth, wash your armpits, the groin area, your feet and your hands. That's a 5-point wash to keep your body fairly clean. One of the things I always carry with me when I'm out in the wild is my little hygiene kit. In it I have the basic toiletries for several days if used sparingly. This is what I keep in my little hygiene kit. I got toilet paper, always useful. A full roll takes up a lot of space, so I try to bring partial ones. Second thing I have are the disinfecting swipes. It's to wash my hands after toilet needs, but also to clean scrapes and wounds. I always bring along a small toothbrush, a travel brush, and a small tube of toothpaste. I have some painkiller pills. That's to relieve aches of varying kinds. I carry ibuprofen and paracetamol, with both helps with aches and inflammations and fever. I have a small kit of soap leaves I use to wash myself and help with keep a good body hygiene. Dental chewing gums for when I don't have the water or the resources or time to brush my teeth. I always keep fire steel and some extra lighters. You never know where you're going to need those, and always good to carry along. I carry some water purification tablets, and I have some band-aids with me to cover small wounds and scrapes. My hygiene kit is small enough that I can keep it in a pocket if I need. Well, that's my thoughts on hygiene in the wild. If you have any extra tips, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, found it educating or just amusing with some guy telling you how to shit in the woods, well, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it. So, until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.